4409 Woodruff Avenue, an exquisitely renovated and appointed 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home in Lakewood. Pause on the veranda, then enter the casually gracious living and dining rooms. The gourmet kitchen is nothing short of a showcase, opening to the family room, with access to the 3rd bathroom with a door to the rear grounds as well. Secluded, the primary suite includes an office, dressing room, a luxurious romantic bathroom, and a bedroom chamber with a mirrored wardrobe wall. The bedroom wing includes a renovated bathroom convenient to the bedrooms. Whether you're lounging on the back deck or hanging out in the man cave finished garage, life is good in Lakewood. Very good.